This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Livecontainer, grant camera and microphone access, and sign in with the account you will use. Once done, open settings inside the app and enable Background Fetch Plus files access so containers can persist. Make sure to allow local network if using remote devices. This gets the app ready to create your first live container session without delays and prevents authorization interrupts while you proceed. You now create and configure the container. Tap New Container and pick a template that matches your workload, app, shell, or service. Then allocate CPU and memory limits and map the host ports you need. This affects performance and connectivity. Next, attach persistent storage and mount any host folders for data sharing. Finally, set environment variables and enable auto-restart so the container recovers after interruptions. By doing this, you control resources and ensure the live session behaves. You finish by starting the container and watching logs and resource graphs in the dashboard to confirm healthy operation. Once running, use the exec shell to make live fixes and take a snapshot before any risky change so you can roll back. If the container crashes or becomes unresponsive, check the logs for OOM or binding errors, free device memory, toggle background fetch, then restart the container. This final sequence closes the loop and gets you back to a stable live session quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.